Hello everyone, welcome to Victoria's English. I'm a teacher of English to speakers of other languages. We will pause our lessons on prepositions for a little bit and we will return to that topic at a later time. Today we will focus on object prepositions. Okay. I am sorry. Object pronouns is what I meant. Did you catch my mistake? If so, that's fantastic. If not, you'll catch me next time. Okay. What are object pronouns? Remember when we first started, I said a sentence was a small story. And that description works for now. We might change it later on, but we'll keep it that simple. And in the first place, I said that story has, that's the subject in the first place, second place, verb, third place, object. We already talked about the subject nouns. We talked about the subject pronouns. We talked about the verb, present and past tense, in the present and past tenses. And now we are going to talk about the object pronouns. Okay. I drink tea. Tea is a noun, but the pronoun it we can use to replace the noun tea, and we'll say I drink it. It is the object pronoun. Okay? I give him the tea. Him is the object pronoun. I give her the tea. Her is the object pronoun. I give them the tea. There are 3 students here in the class. Them is the object pronoun. So now a question for you. I ask him about it. What is the object pronoun? Him is the object pronoun. I ask her about it. What is the object pronoun? Her is the object pronoun. All right. Okay. So now let's move on to the next page here with more object pronouns. If I say she asked me about it, what is the object pronoun? Me is. I asked you. Okay. You is the object pronoun. He asked us. Yes, us is the object pronoun. And the last one, we asked them the question. Them is the object pronoun. Okay, so how can you figure this out? How can you tell which one is the subject pronoun and which one is the object pronoun? Remember, the object pronoun is always going to be position 3 in the sentence. And the subject will always be position 1. All right, I'll be right back. And I hope you'll prepare more questions for me. And go ahead and post them below this video.